going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video here at J&A Motorsports and Trucking. And so today, boys, what we got going on is basically taking the truck to the yard to let Angel fill my Freon up, because we've been having some issues with Freon leaks in the truck, and since we went to Georgia and rebuilt it, I haven't had AC. So I've spent the last 2 to 3 weeks on the road basically struggling, trying to this little guy here has got me through a lot of it, believe it or not. Shout out to the wifey for getting me that. But yeah, I've spent some rough nights, boys, in the last 2 or 3 weeks with no AC. So in this video, I'm gonna this video or whatever, y'all see my wife, she does it all. And reason being, I was exhausted. When I get home, didn't feel like really doing shit. So I'd get a shower, get something to eat, kick back, be lazy, and the wife would come out and change stuff. She changed the compressor, she changed the front evap valve, and she changed the sleeper bunk evap valve. Alright guys, so she's got the new evap valve mounted. That little plate on the back side closest to the firewall, which is right in here, basically sandwiches. But yeah, basically yeah, it's got that plate on the back right here, and it gets star head bolts that go through the evap valve. Basically sandwiches the lines to the valve. So she's getting that done.
Change the AC dryer. This nut right here. bolts. One here, one there. Actually, it's 3. There's another one.
Expansion valve in the back rear sleeper bunk getting replaced too.
Got the new one on by these 2 bolts. You gotta put this up. That's your nut and your stud.
New AC compressor going on. There he goes.
To the box.
Just gonna mount right there. You want me to hold it up?
Oh, that's beautiful. Get a bolt right there on the ground.
She took the old one off in about 7 minutes, guys. About all it took, right, baby?
Yep.
So, she can do it. You can do it. Not necessarily. She's a different type of woman. But, right, baby?
That's right.
So, a new compressor. AC compressor is mounted, guys. Looks real clean. Go along with the rest of the engine when I get around to pressure washing it again. What's this part over here called? Air dryer. See, air dryer, whatever. She replaced that. Well, y'all know if you're watching the video. I'm putting all this together, make a video out of it. But she replaced that Evap valve right there, the one over there under the bunk, and the compressor. Didn't have no AC this last trip. Actually, what, last 2 trips?
Yeah.
No AC. Sucked. So, yeah. I'm get all this buttered up, and then I'll get back with y'all. Stay tuned. I'll give you an update shortly. All right, guys. So yeah, guys, like I was saying, shout out to the wife. She's awesome. She changed the AC compressor, both Evap valves, the one in the front on the firewall and the one in the sleeper bunk. And you know, if you follow the channel for the trucking part, or you just a loyal supporter, I appreciate you all. But if you follow the channel for the trucking part of the life that we live, then you know that we changed the condenser not long after we got back from Georgia. And so yeah, boys, the last couple weeks, you know, we've been just chasing Freon leaks, and we've basically replaced the whole AC system, or at least the wife has. So, you know, she's changed out everything that we could change out on the system. So we should be good now. So, like I said, guys, we're on the way to Stanton. I got my rider with me, Uriah. But yeah, boys, we're on this way to Stanton to get our Freon filled. So shout out to Angel too. You know, he's always there when we need him. He's the one that's gonna be filling our Freon back up. So, but yeah, guys, that's what this video is going to consist of. The wifey going out and changing, well, basically overhauling the whole AC system. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Hope it helps someone out there. Maybe you've got a T680. Maybe you don't. Maybe you've got you just own your own truck, you know, and maybe you doubt yourself. Well, here you go. My wife could do it. I'm sure you guys put your heart and soul into it. You could do it too. So, yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get it, boys. Boys, so hopefully this video was helpful to one of you out there, or maybe to a few of you out there. Basically, my AC system was going to crap or whatever. Everything was messing up for a while. Our expansion valve in the bunk wasn't working, and we knew it. Well, my wife researched it and figured it out and diagnosed it. and we was just waiting to get around to it so we could change it out. But she went ahead and knocked it out in this video, along with the expansion valve at the front that's on the firewall of the AC. So yeah, shout out to the wife. Appreciate you, baby, for hooking the boy up. So yeah, guys, hopefully this video helped one of you guys out. Like I said, the expansion valve in the back was bad in the bunk, so when the function was on for AC to work in the bunk, it would be blowing hot air instead of AC. So with her changing that expansion valve, now we got cold air in the bunk. Her changing the whole part of the AC system in the front of the truck helped with the whole AC system working in general. So now we back home. Gotta go out tonight on a trip. Gonna be taking the whole family with me. So I guess it's my Father's Day present, but there's no better present than that, boys, let me tell you. So if you're out there on them roads, it gets lonely, you know it yourself. So, but yeah, wife and the kids is going out with me tonight, and we got our AC back and working, so it's definitely gonna be a much more comfortable ride. But yeah, guys, hopefully this helped one of you guys out. Like I said, if your AC is blowing hot air when it's supposed to be blowing cold, maybe it's your expansion valve. You know, if you can't hold Freon in the system, maybe it's one of those washers, maybe it's your Evap valves leaking. I mean, it could be a lot of things. So anyway, wife went ahead and changed it all out, so there's no doubt no more. There's no more leaks. There's no more nothing. We're getting cold air. About froze my feet on the way here from the yard because I had the setting on my feet. So blowing nothing but ice out of there, boys. So praise the Lord. Thank you to the wife. Thank you to Angel, the mechanic for Shenandoah, who filled up the Freon. And thank you to my brother Dave. He tried before we got all the leaks fixed. Dave tried to fill the Freon up for me. It just wasn't holding. So yeah, guys, hopefully this helped one of you guys out, and definitely stay tuned. We've got projects coming for the truck. We've got some new door handles to put on, chrome. We've got some new mirror pillar lights to put on, kind of give it that classic truck look. And that's going to be on the channel here soon. It's getting warm out, boys, so definitely going to start on some more projects for the truck. So definitely stay tuned. I appreciate each and every single one of you for your support. We wouldn't be where we at, almost 1,250 subscribers. So it's all, I owe it all to you guys, and first to the Lord above. So praise the Lord, and thank you guys. I appreciate you all. I love you all. Definitely stay tuned with us. We got many more videos to come. Till the next one, boys, we out of here. Peace out.